Humor me for a moment and imagine you're playing your favorite game of all time, Minecraft. You're exploring through caves, building your dream house, and of course, trying to survive the night. Except something's a little off. See, actually, you're not playing Minecraft at all. There's no world, no caves, not even a user interface. Nothing is real. Because what you're looking at is a freaking AI-generated recreation of Minecraft. Every single frame. And something tells me this could be the start of the biggest change in video games that we have ever seen. Sounds dramatic? Let's find out. Okay, so on this channel, I typically stick to two topics, Minecraft and vintage tech. However, I am increasingly seeing new things happening in tech that just mess my brain up so much that I have to share it with you. And this is very much one of those times. You've probably seen this all over the internet right now. A bunch of my mates were sending it to me. This is Oasis. And according to their website, Oasis is the first playable real-time open world AI model. What? A playable real-time AI model. Sorry, I just had to say it again because that is outrageous. See, we've all seen janky AI videos that just don't really hit. They don't really make a lot of sense. Now, these AI generated videos are still pretty impressive when you think of the hundreds and thousands of hours of video that the AI has been trained on for it to somehow create an AI generated banana. It may be janky, but it is impressive. But of course, this process of generating video doesn't happen in real time. But that's what makes Oasis outrageous. See, instead, this AI model is literally generating Minecraft in real time. What you are seeing is not actually Minecraft. It's what an AI model has been trained on to think that Minecraft is in real time. This is going to open up so many different, holy frick. But as if real-time AI-generated video wasn't mental enough, Oasis takes it a step further by making it completely playable. The AI-generated video recognizes inputs and responds to your inputs. This is stupid. Now, typically to try this kind of stuff, you need some knowledge of AI and coding, and I just don't have any of that. So usually I don't get to try it for myself. However, Oasis has a playable demo, and of course we're gonna friggin' play it. Start. You're about to enter a first of its kind video model, a game engine trained by millions of gameplay hours. I'm very interested in this part because I have seen some pretty janky, I've seen some pretty janky videos of this thing. Okay, so what I think is happening here is it's starting with an image and then continues to generate after that. Let's try this one. Okay. Okay, now don't get me wrong, it's laggy, but I'm pretty chill about it considering none of this is real. Oh my gosh, okay. Whoa, 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 what is happening here? Oh, this feels like a freaking fever dream, man. The more I move around, the whacker it gets. So let's see if that whole house thing is gone. It is, that's so crazy. That's so weird. Okay, so that whole random set of blocks I was looking at is gone. Whew. Okay, this is so weird, dude. I think the thing that's getting me is that if this is happening right now, 20 FPS, a little bit of lag, and obviously pretty low resolution, what the heck can we expect in the future? And not even the distant future. What can we expect in the next year even? Are we talking 4K video that can just be streamed? Are we talking... Dude, what the heck? To help kind of explain what Oasis is doing and how it's generating the movement, I want to show you this platform called Runway AI. Now, it's not in real time like Oasis is, that's insane. But using its tools, I can give you a hint of what Oasis is doing just at a crazier level. So let's use Runway's Gen 3 Alpha Turbo model. What a name. And what I'm gonna do is find a photo to animate. iPhone 16. And now what we can do is a thing called camera control. And essentially this is what Oasis is doing in real time. I can do things like panning, and you can see there, we can pan around it, and then maybe we can tilt down as well. And you can see it's giving me an idea of what it's gonna do. So if I go generate, but essentially we have full control over the camera movement of the shot itself. Every time I see it, I still get blown away at how nuts it is. Now, of course, I've given it a pretty simple image here. You know, having the iPhone in the middle, the separation's pretty simple. Obviously, the main thing it's doing here is generating that building in the background that does not exist on this image. Let's try another image. Let's give it something a little more painful to use. Honestly, maybe I should just do a photo of me, because why not? And we'll go to camera control. We'll do a portrait, I think. That's such a gooby photo. Here we go. Why is that so funny, dude? Okay, so maybe that wasn't a good example either, but I think you get my point. Gosh, it is trippy to navigate, but it's not too bad. I am not, I'm just can't believe how different everything becomes with one frame change, right? I was zoomed in on the tree, and as I zoomed out, everything just changed. This kind of must be what limbo really feels like. No matter how far you walk, things just get further and further away. You never really arrive. What if we dig? You know, a big part of Minecraft is mining. What happens if we dig just straight into the side of this little cliff here? Oh, what the heck just happened? What the frig just happened? It does trip my eyes out pretty hard, hey. So if I go into here and I turn around, what am I gonna see? Oh, good Lord. Oh no, I'm stuck now, boys. Will I ever get out? Wait, this is an interesting... Wait, what the... Am I in the end? What is this? Where the heck am I, bro? Am I underground? That's lava. Okay. We've got some lava. I must be. What is happening, bro? This is legit a bad dream. This is a very, very bad dream. Oh my word. What is happening? Hold up. If I just go look at some dirt, I can look the other way. Okay. So we're back to normal. Thank goodness. Well, kind of normal. I don't even know if normal exists. Now, at first, it really didn't occur to me what was happening here. There's something about Minecraft being used to prove this tech demo that kind of makes it feel almost normal. Like, yeah, of course AI can generate every single frame and make them interactable. But the more you think about that, the more insane it gets. What you're being presented with in Oasis is not being generated by a game engine and lines of code that have been written by a developer. It's literally AI-generated frames with some keyboard and mouse inputs to give you the feeling and the experience that this is real, that this is Minecraft, an actual game. And immediately while playing Oasis, all I could think about is all the other games you could apply this technology to. Forget other games even, just think about the games that could be created in real time based on this technology, which took me down a rabbit hole on YouTube. See, I came across this video from a video game developer about the use of AI in video games, specifically a new technique or a new process that he was working on to make video games look way more realistic, or at least stylized with AI. Post-processing in video games is super common, and I used it even in my own silly goofy video games to kind of give them a more cinematic look. But Blue Drake 42 has been testing using generative AI video as a post-processing tool. So the idea is you could have your video game with goofy looking models or very basic structures, and running it through this post-processing technique would make it look insanely real. And the examples that he shows in this video are insane, like proper crazy. Now, Blue Drake mentioned in his video that this isn't real time. This isn't happening on the spot. However, as you have seen so far with Oasis and Minecraft being generated at 20 frames per second, on the spot in real time, you put 2 and 2 together and you think, what the heck is a video game going to even be in a year's time, let alone 10 years time, 20 years time? I'm kind of rattled by all of this, if you can't tell. There's so many reasons why I'm impressed with this. There's just like a million different reasons for why this is so wild to me. No way. Sheep, let's go. No way. What's up, buddy? Huh? What did he just turn into? Oh my gosh, what is happening? That's so terrifying. What the frick is that? This whole experience started off so innocent, and it's just getting weirder and weirder as it goes. No way, it turned it into a pig. I just turned a sheep into a pig. Oh, that makes me so uncomfortable. What's happening? Oh, I don't know if I can do it anymore. Outrageous, man. Outrageous. AI generated Minecraft has well and truly ruined my childhood. That sheep was messed up, dude. Okay, I need to stop. It's too weird, bro. It's like legit proper too weird. I find all of this stuff so interesting and so mind-bending. And I don't know about you, but I'm always in two minds about it. It also really makes me wonder, what makes a video game? What makes a video game special? Is it the human touch? Is it the story? Is it the fidelity of the image? Like, what makes a video game special? What makes a video game good? I am always a believer that story is first, that the story is really what makes a video game great. To me, it opens up so many opportunities to tell better stories, to tell more stories, to hear new stories. But it also makes it super daunting for people in creative industries. But I suppose it's just like anything. Technology comes through and changes the way we do things, often for the better, and sometimes for not great. But again, and it sounds kind of like cheesy, but I do think it's up to us to decide how we use it. If the technology is handed to us, the technology itself may not be good or bad, but the way we use it could be good or bad. For example, a good use of technology is getting ChatGPT to help me beat Minecraft for the first time, because I've never beaten Minecraft. So make sure you hit subscribe if you want to see that video. It's coming real soon. And hey, thanks for having your mind melted with me. Peace and blessings.